Welcome to Times Up North.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
She has been participating in the India Runway Fashion Week. So Shubhakta, how do you feel being a part of such a big platform?
I feel great. This is a national platform, so I feel very great to participating that kind of fashion show, India Runway Week at New Delhi. बहुत ही मतलब रोंगटे खड़े कर देने वाला, या बहुत I feel very much excited, little bit nervous, and दिल्ली में शो है तो पहली बार नॉर्थ बंगाल से जा रही हूँ, पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हूँ, तो थोड़ा बहुत नर्वसनेस है, तो लेट्स सी क्या होता है.
What do you have to say about your newly launched collection?
I'll show you. Come. This is my collection, and all based on cotton. This is a summer edition, 2015. So all the garments based on cotton, and my collection's name is the Katha Bazaar.
Okay.
तो सब काथा का स्टीच के
Where the
ऊपर है.
materials have been sourced from?
शांति निकेतन. वहाँ का विलेज में कारीगर काम करते हैं, तो हम लोग ने वहाँ से फैब्रिक सोर्स किया है ऑर्डर देके.
Where did you get this idea from? Like sourcing the material from Shanti Niketan will be like, you had thought of an idea like Shanti Niketan is good for this Katha materials.
I know about that because Shanti Niketan is famous for that type of garments. Katha stitch, applique, and Shanti Niketan they have a traditional way. All मतलब सब कुछ में वो लोग का एक ट्रेडिशनल मतलब होता है कि एक झोला भी वो लोग कैरी करते हैं, उसमें भी एक ट्रेडिशन हाँ अच्छा लगता है. तो दैट वन आई नो, मतलब पहले से ही मुझे पता था, क्योंकि मैं एक बीइंग अ बंगाली, नॉर्थ बंगाल फुल्ली रिलेटेड ट्रेडिशनल, तो उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करके मैंने सोचा कि उसको एक फ्यूजन मतलब एक कन्वर्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि काथा स्टिच जो है बहुत ट्रेडिशनल है, तो उसको मैंने फ्यूजन में कन्वर्ट किया, मॉडर्नाइज किया, वन पीस गारमेंट बनाया, श्रग्स बनाया, साड़ी के ऊपर ब्लाउज थोड़ा जैकेट के हिसाब से बना दिया, तो थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाइड हो गया.
We can see this.
It's
a good collection. What do you have to say about this?
This is पैचवर्क थ्रेड वर्क, जैसे जरी का काम भी है, कारीगर है हम लोगों का, उन्होंने ही बनाया है वन पीस गारमेंट. इसके नीचे आप लेगिंग्स पहनोगे तो बहुत ही ट्रेडिशनल लुक दे देगा, अगर नहीं भी पहनोगे तो वन पीस का लुक दे देता है ये.
और जो स्टिच करते हैं वो टेलर्स, where do you get the tailors from?
हाँ, वो टेलर्स तो हम लोग का है ही, क्योंकि मुझे एक बुटीक चलाना है, तो टेलर्स तो हम लोग को मतलब
are they hired from here?
सिलीगुड़ी. सिलीगुड़ी.
Didn't know that's so good tailors we found here.
हाँ.
What is this?
Lehenga.
Okay.
These are all lehenga.
specialize in kind of bridal wears and all? Do you have kind of collections that?
अभी तक तो सोचा नहीं है,
नहीं सोचा
आगे
है।
कोई मतलब इंस्पायर होके ऑर्डर देगा तो तब आई थिंक अबाउट दैट। अभी तक जो ये दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट शो, तो अभी तक उतना कुछ नहीं सोचा है तो।
No, it's a very big thing that you got such a big platform at the very first mark.
Yeah.
These are stoles, right?
Yeah, stoles.
Which material is this?
Silk and these are cotton.
Okay.
उसके ऊपर हमने मॉडिफाई करके फ्रिल यूज़ किया है। एक क्लासी और एक ट्रेंडी लुक भी देता है। सेमी विंटर में भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो ये सब स्टोल, उतना मतलब गर्मी भी नहीं लगेगा। कॉटन है क्योंकि समर है बोल के कॉटन हम लोगों ने यूज़ किया है। दीज आर साड़ीज। दिस मटेरियल इज कॉल्ड खेश, बंगाली टर्म खेश।
These materials are all being taken from Shanti Niketan.
Yeah.
Okay. This time in the fashion week, you think that exhibiting Bengali tradition designs would be good for you? What do you think? You'll be coming with a bang, or like people will be appreciating your designs?
I don't know really. Let's see.
These are all that you have for the designs that you'll be exhibiting in Delhi, or you have more to exhibit? You have more collections.
This is my first show. अब देखते हैं आगे अगर
You told me that this is just 1/4 of your designs,
Yeah.
right? So how many days are left?
only 6. Only 6,
days.
yeah.
What is the time schedule for the
10
fashion?
to 12.
10 to 12.
And my show is on 12th.
And you are the only one selected from North Bengal.
North Bengal, yeah.
The entire North Bengal.
That's why I'm feeling very excited now.
No, this is a very proud moment for us all that Shubhakta Saha from North Bengal, a small place, she is exhibiting her designs, and she is in fact she will turn out to be a big fashion designer, and we wish her best of luck from our side, from the entire team of Times of North. Thank you. I've been modeling for Shubhakta for how many years?
It's been, I guess, more than 3 years. I'm associated with her, and it's very proud for me to wear her designs because, like, she basically doesn't work for so trendy and all, but she has a mentality and she does her work with the trendy and with the Bengali culture. So this is what I like. Like a normal sari, she makes it like with a modern touch, and this is
it's
what
a kind of fusion she has.
yeah, the fusion she works, and that is from the teenager to the old ladies. Everybody can wear it and everybody can function it with that. So I'm very proud that in my town in North Bengal, she is the one who exposes her designs like that. And I wish her all the best for this run week. And I feel proud that I am the first model wearing it.
Oh, wearing it, it's a very big thing that yes, Shobhakta has been like from North Bengal. It's a very proud moment for us too that we are here to see, definitely to see her designs. It's a very big moment for us also. And what you're thinking in future? You'll be wearing her designs and or you'll be
you can say I'm
you'll be moving outside Siliguri.
Yeah, I have plans moving out first Siliguri because now my studies going on, so I have to stay here. This is my hometown. But
You're into modeling career for how many years?
It's more than 6 years I'm in here, and I have won some the contest, and then I have been connected with Shubhakta. So she's an absolute good designer, and she can compete with the best designers in India.
Yeah, she is. It is for sure. Yeah, it's a big thing for us also from North Bengal that she is exhibiting her designs in this way. Like it's very big thing that in a traditional, she's giving a fusion outlook of it, traditional as well as Western.
So that's her thinking are like a little bit like. Which I wanna say that it's little bit hotke in Hindi what we say. Like every generation can wear it and they can carry it, and that's what I feel good about her. Because if you're going to a party, it's very much simple. Everybody wears cocktail, but she defines her design that we can wear the normal skirts, but we look classy in that. The cheap thing doesn't come.
Unique touch to
Yes,
her
that's
designs.
it. That's what.
That's it.
For getting more news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel Times of North. For getting more news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel Times of North. For getting more news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel Times of North. For getting more news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel Times of North. For getting more news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel Times of North. For getting more news updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel Times of North.